Extreme Earth Test, World Records Edition. These facts blow people's minds. Question 1. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. K2, B. Mount Everest, C. Kanchenjunga. Question 2. Which is the largest desert on Earth? A. Sahara, B. Gobi, C. Antarctica. Question 3. Which country has the most natural lakes? A. Russia, B. Canada, C. Finland. Question 4. What is the driest place on Earth? A. Sahara Desert, B. Atacama Desert, C. Death Valley. Question 5. Which country has the longest coastline? A. Russia, B. Norway, C. Canada. Your score? 4 out of 5 is Geography Genius. 5 out of 5 means you study Earth daily.